The Katsina State Police Command said it had recovered 198 firearms from some residents, including herdsmen. About 30 of the weapons were reportedly mopped up from individuals following a directive by the Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Idris, that owners of such weapons should surrender them or face the law. Among the recovered weapons were 20 AK-47 rifles, 10 pistols, 8 pump-action rifles, 70 locally made pistols, 80 locally made guns, 5 double-barreled guns, and 2 SMGs. Others included 84 rounds of ammunition and 50 magazines. The State Commissioner of Police, Wakili Mohammed, who spoke at the Police Command headquarters in Katsina, said the command would ensure the recovery of all illegally acquired arms, while the suspect will be arraigned after police investigation.